This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device so recordings are clean and uninterrupted. Free up at least 15% of storage and close background apps to reduce CPU load. This prevents dropped frames. Next, add screen recording to Control Center and decide if you need internal audio or microphone overlay. Once done, turn on Do Not Disturb and lock orientation. Make sure brightness and display timeout are set. These steps reduce interruptions and stabilize performance, so your recorded video will be smoother and clearer from the first take. Now optimize how you record so each frame looks crisp. Choose the highest supported resolution, 1080p for most, 4K if your device and editor support it, and select 60 FPS for fast motion. Higher frame rates mean smoother playback. Disable system animations and motion effects to minimize encoding artifacts. For audio, use an external microphone or wired capture via Lightning or USB-C to avoid sync drift and background hiss. Make sure you test a short clip to confirm video and audio settings match your final export targets. Finish by executing and exporting correctly so quality survives editing. Start with short test recordings to check storage, CPU heat, and audio sync, then proceed to your full capture when stable. For export, prefer HEVC/H, 265 or high bitrate H, 264, and set bitrate manually in your editor to preserve detail. If you encounter dropped frames, audio drift, or artifacts, restart the phone. Update iOS or switch to wired capture through a Mac with QuickTime or a capture device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.